My nature trail. The nature trail is a bit spongy after much rain. Clay builds up on the sole of my shoes. It's like walking on stilts. Hunting day tomorrow, Sunday. Marauders with their dogs will come. Shotgun pellets will fly through the air. The forest is silent. Animals hide in the bushes. I am being watched. Squeeze my eyes together, open them and see for a brief moment creatures of yore that have crossed my trail. The sky is blue with dots of white silk scarves lacing about. Good thing I haven't got a gun. I might have, on a beautiful day, shot myself behind a sun boulder that looks like a giant's wisdom tooth, knowing what I saw will never repeat itself. I shot some pictures of remarkable-looking trees instead and admired how the shadows fell on my track. Saw a yellow butterfly, the first this year, but by the time I had the camera ready, it had flown into yesterday's memory. And that's how it goes.